Hello. In this video, we're going to look at how to develop the equation of a straight line using gradient. Like when you're given gradient and you're given coordinate, and then they ask you, can you develop or can you determine the equation of a straight line or equation of the line? So that means you could be given like a line, like a graph. You have a graph here. You have now here y-axis and you have x-axis, and then you have a line. And when you have a line, then they tell you maybe the coordinate of here, like, and then they give you that. They tell you, for example, this is so then they give you also the gradient, which is also the slope. So they give you the value of the slope, then they give you one coordinate, and they ask you, can you come up with the equation of the line? So that's what we want to do here. In most cases, we have the principle, we say minus change in y over change in x. So basically, we're going to introduce the second coordinate, which is going to be, let's say, for this case, let's say x and y. So that that's what we're going to equate to after saying, for example, here we're going to say this one minus this one. So this is assuming this is a. So this one is going to be a1. So we're going to say here what is change in y. So first of all, we want to look at change in y over change in x, and after that we equate that one to the gradient that we have. So we're going to say here y minus, this is the value of y here, and this is the value of x, minus 5 over x minus 2 equals to the gradient that we have here, which is 4. Assuming we say 4 over 1, then everything becomes a bit simpler. So that means here we're going to have y minus 5 equals to 4 in bracket x minus 2. So basically we're going to say y minus 5 equals to 4x minus 8. So the equation that we're going to work on now, we want to leave it at in the format of so the format we want to leave it should be y equals to mx minus plus c. So mx plus constant. So that means now this minus 5 should go, you should bring it to the other side, but after the equal, so that we have y equals to, because this minus 5 when it comes to this side is going to be plus 5. Okay, so that's going to be y is equal to 4x minus, so here is like, if we have minus 3 plus 5 gives you, minus 8 plus 5 gives you minus 3. So now that's going to be the line of equation for A. Okay, so let's see the line, the equation of the line for B. Equation of the line for B is going to be the same. So we're going to say change in x, change in y over change in x. So it should give us then the gradient. So we're going to introduce then also another. So we have here x, y, another coordinate. Okay, so therefore we're going to say x, so y minus, so here we have y is 2, and then x minus 7 gives us the gradient, which is minus 2. So this is not a difficult one. This is a bit simpler. So what we're going to do here is, so minus 2 over 1. So then we're still going to have y minus 2 equals to 2 into x minus 7. So easy. So here we're going to say, remember, the goal here is to leave it as y is equal to mx plus c. So that's the main goal that we want to achieve. So here, that's why. So here we're going to have y minus 2 equals to 2x minus 14. So this minus 2 should cross over so that we have y equals to okay, wait. This is, yes, this is 2 minus 2x. So that we have y is equal to minus 2x. So here it was minus 2x, minus 2, because that's what we want to multiply. Minus 2 multiplied by this is going to be minus 2x, and then minus 2 times minus 7 will give us positive 7. Sorry for that, I just rectified that. And then after doing that calculation, then this minus 2 should go to the other side to give us positive. So we're going to have here still minus 2x plus 14 plus 2. So finally, we're going to have y equals to minus 2x plus 16. That's going to be our equation of the line for B. Now let's look at C. So you see, we want to look at question at C. I can also do C on this other side. So C, we have the gradient as 3/4, and we have the coordinates here. So we can do C here. So again, change in y over change in x should give us the gradient. So here we have our gradient. So we're going to just introduce y coordinates, which is going to then make us then y minus here 3 over x minus 1 equals to 3 over 4. This is going to be a bit easier. In this case now, we just want to drop everything so that this plus positive, yeah, so cross multiply, so that we say 4 into y minus 3 equals to 3 into x plus 1. With that one done, we're going to say here, we have here 4y minus 12 equals to 3x plus 3. So easy, we want to bring 12 this other side and then divide everything by 4. That's going to be the next step. So we're going to have here 4y equals to 3x plus 3 plus 12. So that's going to be 4y equals to 3x plus 15. Now for our case, now we want to divide everything by 4. Everything by 4. So our final equation of the line is going to look like this: y equals to 3 over 4x plus 15 over 4. Yeah, so basically that's going to be our equation here. If we leave it into the equation of y. Yeah, and then let's do the last one. So the last one here is, yeah, the same. We're going to say D, that is D. So C we are done with. So D, again, we're going to say change in y over change in x should give us gradient. Easy. So like we did the rest, the others, we're going to say, we're going to introduce another coordinate to xy. Let's say that one be a1. And that's what we're going to, so we're going to say y minus 7 over x minus 2 should give us a gradient of minus 3 over 2. Like we just did C, we're going to repeat the same, but now cross multiply, so that we have here 2 into y minus 7 equals minus 3 into x minus 2. Simple. So we have here 2y minus 14 equals to minus 3x plus 6. Now, finally, we can say here, this is negative 14. We want to bring it this other side so that it becomes positive. So here we can now say 2y equals to minus 3x plus 6 plus 14. So here we're going to end with 2y equals to minus 3x plus 20. Then now we can divide everything by 2 so that we have here y equals to 3 over 2x minus 3 over 2x plus 10. Yeah, so that's how you do the equation of the line. At any time you have some assignment, yeah, so that's the skill that you need. So we did 4 examples. Yeah, that's just what I wanted to share with you today. Have a nice time and see you in the next video.